Okay guys, we got the package from grocery Mayday, Jakarta Barat. This package should be these things we order: sunflower seeds and pumpkin seed roasted. They have a good benefit of health. I will open this. This video is unboxing video. And I will open this correctly. And this is kitchen scale for check the weight of the things. They put it very safely. You can check this how much weight. 505. That's good. How about this? 503. That's good. Okay, it's empty. I will move this first. And this is the things. This is roasted pumpkin seed and roasted sunflower with the same weight. The sunflower seed is good for your health with the vitamin E, anti-inflammation, avoid about the cancer and your bones health. Okay, and for the pumpkin seed, you can see in here is the benefit. It's a superfood, a kind of superfood, because this is consists of omega-3 antioxidant, fiber, and have a calorie, fat, sugar, carbohydrates. And this is a superfood. Can you beat the diabetes, increase your immunity, heart system, and give you many benefits of health. Okay, let's check inside. Check both of them. I will cut. This is like a vacuum. I will cut in here with my rusty cutter. Okay, this is the pumpkin seed. This is the sunflower seed. Details is like this. Like this. Okay, we'll eat this. Okay, good enough. And this is the pumpkin seed. We'll taste this too. Sorry, my rusty cutter is rather slow to cut. This is the pumpkin seed. Like this. Very crunchy. Empty in the middle. Like this. Okay, this is it. Sunflower seed, pumpkin seed. Thank you for watching.